Hello, friends. This is Dipinder Lumba once again from Lumba Legal Services. Friends, latest bill has been passed by Ontario regarding the Landlord Tenant Board. I'm seeing a lot of immature and immature people are trying to become expert on legal matters. They are dancing, they are celebrating, they are saying that landlords have the edge over the tenants. Definitely, there are some rules and amendments have taken place. For example, 50% of the rent portion must be deposited in the trust account of LTP demanded by the landlord. But there is nothing to celebrate in it because that portion would be deposited on the will of LTP. It is not that necessity that all the time you need to, because tomorrow if it is proven landlord has made a fake claim, then that amount which has been deposited can also carry a serious fine against the landlord. Second thing about the evictions, cut down the notice period. There is nothing wrong in it. Cutting down notice period doesn't have any advantage or disadvantage for both. The only thing which is going to give a bit edge over to the landlord, that they can file the application a bit earlier. Then for N12, the compensation. The compensation is also withdrawn, but the pleadings are going to be very difficult. There can be some issues that for 1 year stay for the landlord is going to be the must in that which is already there in L2 application, but there can be some more amendments coming which are not going to favor the landlord. I'm surprised. Landlord Tenant Board, the present bill, is silent about the renovations, specifically for the hotels which had previously given some of their accommodations on monthly basis to some of the tenants, and now those tenants are refusing to move, and landlords are facing big problem in that case, because now the franchise heads are after their blood to get those monthly tenants evicted and modify those so-called monthly rental units into suites. So bill is absolutely silent about that. Maybe new amendments coming regarding this issue. There are many issues which have been left absolutely under red dot. I will advise that before you people start celebrating or dancing or something like that, that amendments have come and given favor to the landlords of Ontario, just wait and see how the litigation will move in future. And after watching the litigation and some of the cases, then you should decide. And I also just want to warn all those specifically non-qualified people who are making comments and making advice, specifically real estate agents or some of the social media news readers that they have no specialization in the legal field, so keep your mouth in filter, because by not knowing the legal aspect of anything, your advice can damage to the people who are listening to you. Thank you very much. In case you have any issue like that, whether you are a landlord or tenant, give us the call Lumba Legal Services at 416-840-5767 and have a wonderful day.